Okay, here we go. Pardon me. We've got a gallon of reverse osmosis water, our Azimax, that I'm going to use today. The mixture here is, I believe it was two ounces. Dilution table for drench applications. Where's it at? Fuller application. Lower, medium, and high rate. 1 to 2 fluid ounces. 1 ounce. I'll use 2 fluid ounces per gallon of water. Right there. Somewhere right in there. It says 1 to 2 ounces basically. So, let's get good shake going on. There you go, both of those were just a little under an ounce. Okay, let's come over here and we will wash our all right. Okay, I'll go ahead and give this a little shake that puppy up, because on here I'm using this Cocoa Wet Wetting Agent. It seems kind of neat, and on this it says add half a teaspoon per gallon, and it should be added, cocoa wet should be added to the mixture last. Okay, however, when using this other stuff, it should be added first, and this other stuff over here, added for this solution, it should be added last. Half a teaspoon per gallon. Nice little shake. Some people say you can use soap for this. Half a tablespoon. Okay, 1/2 a teaspoon. So it's going to be difficult. Ooh, there we go. That's pretty good. Might be a wee bit over. There we go. We've got our wetting agent in there, just for giggles. Okay. Rinse this off. Okay, now let's get our compressor going. Got it already plugged in back there. So all I gotta do is come over and turn this on. I've already adjusted this to about the 50 psi, 40 psi actually. Okay, there. Just get plenty of little light on the subject here. Okay. Okie doke. Get our 5-gallon bucket. All right. Okay, the compressor is fully charged up. Let's hook up our gun. Now this is an $80 gravity-fed spray gun, okay, 40 psi max. 80 bucks. Approximately over at Home Depot. So let's go ahead and shake it up real good. Fill this up. Okay, there we go. Let's turn our fans off. All right. Okay. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna get real low down in here for these little clones. Okay, let's get the rest of these. Okay, we are out of spray. see how good everything just gets very wet. Getting underneath the leaves. Now let's give these a little spin around. One more. Oops, shake this up. To pour it out, you got to take the lid off. Okay, and keep going. There's half of the room, and we have used just about half a gallon, but we have a full one here. Typically I have about a quarter gallon left over. So there you go.